All right, so we're in the front of the wheel well, and you can see all of the space in there. You can just stand right here by the tire and see the exhaust manifolds and everything. Now, I'm not saying that's the reason why these Hemi engines have such a problem with cracked manifolds, but it certainly can't help. You know, to have those exhaust manifolds at full temp, and then you hit a water puddle or something and cold water splashes on them, certainly cannot help. And it's the same way on the driver's side too. I've already got this tire off. I mean, you can see right up inside the engine bay. So these wheelhouse liners that they put in the front of these trucks are not very good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some to go ahead and fill in this gap right here. So basically I just went down to the local auto parts store and I bought a cheap rubber cargo mat. I took some measurements in here to see what width and height I needed, and this thing obviously is just a cheap rubber mat. I'm going to unfold this and cut out a template, and I'm just going to use scissors to trim it up the way I need it to be. And then I'm going to go in here and just drill a few holes in there and put some plastic push rivets in there to kind of hold the rubber in there after I cut it to the shape that I need, you know. So pretty cheap little project here, shouldn't be too bad, and having the extra protection in here will keep all that crap from going up onto my exhaust manifolds this winter when I'm driving through the slush and the snow and all that crap. So I just unrolled this rubber mat. Of course, it was all folded up, so may need to relax it a little bit, but I cut a section of it out with the scissors. And now, like I said, I can just take this and put it up in here and start trimming it up to the shape that it needs to be in. All right, so I'm still working on shaping this side up, but it's starting to come together and you can kind of see what I've got going on here. So after I smooth it all out and shape it up just a little bit more, then I'll start drilling a few holes around here to put my plastic push rivets in to hold it. And now you can see that all of that internal stuff up under the engine compartment there is covered up. So, you know, it's shielded from the rain and snow and mud and all that stuff. It should keep the engine bay a little bit cleaner, but like I said, more importantly, this is just to keep the exhaust manifolds healthier for longer, I hope. So yeah, that's a whole lot better. Now there's not a big gaping hole here underneath my fender liner. All right guys, so like I said, that was a pretty quick and easy project, and you can use any material as you want to. You could get a thicker rubber mat if you wanted to. I saw some at Lowe's that had like a rubber diamond plate pattern on them. That might be kind of cool to use. I mean, you could do whatever you want with this. Take your time on it, make it look perfect if you want to. I didn't really care that much. I just wanted to get something in there to prevent all that water and stuff from splashing up on the manifolds, and I think this is going to work out perfect. That particular cargo mat was like 20 bucks, like I said, and then I bought some plastic push rivets, so I don't have maybe 25 bucks invested in both sides of this project, and I think it's going to work out great. What do you guys think?